Hi guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video. David here. So today we are going to see another business, and this time we're going to meet Wendy from Mopani. Stay tuned.
Hi everybody, my name is Wendy and welcome to Mopani, and I'm the founder and CEO of Mopani. Please come in so that I tell you more about what we are doing here and where my whole journey of bringing Mopani to life is. It comes from, we have Mopani trees in my area, in my village, and the Mopani trees, we get blessed every year, twice a year, by this amazing indigenous food which is called Mopani worms. And every year we'll go out and then we'll harvest. My parents will go harvesting every year, and what will happen is that because we were small, and I will go with them because it was amazing, my siblings and I, and over the years we grew up being blessed with this amazing food, and my parents would harvest. So that became the norm for us because it's food, you know, that is healthy, that's protein, that's natural. So over the years, and when I grew up and I moved out of the house and I went to study, you know, at the far away, you know, town, we couldn't find, you know, the Mopani. We couldn't find the Mopani worms. Then I had to make a plan. So after that, I traveled around the country and I traveled around the world. And what was missing for me is this amazing superfood, which you couldn't find anywhere. You know, you had to go home, or you need to know, you know, an uncle and auntie, you know, that can give it to you. So what happened is that I decided to say that, you know, I want to be the change, you know, that I want to see. How come, you know, Mopani worms are not easily accessible? How come these edible insects, you know, are not, you know, something that you can walk into a shop and then it's delivered to you? So then I decided to do a bit of research to say, you know, this is food. This is our indigenous food. You know, generations and generations before me, you know, we have been eating this food, and we need to be able to, it needs to share the space with today's modern foods or the type of foods that are there. So that is where this whole idea came about, to say, you know what, we need to be able to bring and make the Mopani worms available, and we need to be able to find Mopani worms in the different spaces, you know, of access, you know, your shops, your online, your retail, and the different specialty shops. So that's where it came about, you know, to say, how do we take this amazing food and bring it to the people that harvest, which is the local community where I come from. You know, I come from very, very rural, very poor, very little economic activity that's going on there, and every year they have this amazing resource. You know, how do we take that and be able to connect the people so that with this local resource that they have, they can generate income, you know, and be able to self-sustain using this amazing product. So that's where it comes from. I'm going to show you the products that Mopani has. So what we've done is amazing, innovative products from the Mopani worm. So where it starts basically is we've taken the Mopani worm and then we've packaged it into a beautiful pack like this. So we have two sizes, which is your big pack and then your smaller pack. So we call the big size your pantry or your kitchen size, and then the small one is your snack pack. So the snack pack, you know, it fits into your bag. It, you know, you can eat it anytime, you can take it anywhere, and you can easily share it. So that's the first product. Then what we do from here is that we mill it into a fine powder. I know that there's a lot of people that look at, you know, this product, they get a little bit, you know, scared. You know, they get a little bit like, oh, this is scary, I'm not gonna eat it. But this product, it's a superfood, it's amazing. It has 60% natural protein. There's nothing that has a 60% protein. So this is amazing. So you should be eating this product. So because we understand that, you know, it can look a little bit, you know, intimidating. So we've milled it into a fine powder, which is the exact same product. We just mill it into a fine powder so that, you know, people can be able to use it into the different recipe. But before I go into the powder, I just want to tell you, like, with this amazing product, you know, the mashonja, the Mopani worms, why, you know, it's a superfood. So it comes with 60% natural protein. It comes with natural energy. It's high in fiber. It's got iron, and that's very good for you. So basically it's a superfood, and this is what you should be consuming on a daily basis. So yes, moving on now to the powder, because we do understand that it's a little bit scary for people. So we've done an amazing powder, which this powder, it's a multi-use in terms of how do you use it. And we get that question a lot, like, what do I do with the powder, right? So it's pretty simple. You take the powder and you add it into your daily meals, right? So you start with breakfast. If you are eating a cereal, you add it into your cereal. If you're eating a porridge, you take a spoon and you add it in there. Morning shakes, smoothie, you add it into your shakes and smoothie. A lot of our clients, which are people that care about, you know, their health, fitness, you know, wellness, people that are taking, you know, a meal replacement, this is an amazing product for you. So you can also bake with this as well. So we get a lot of our clients that are baking, whether it's queen's cake, scones, you know, they will add it, including breads as well. So it's an amazing product to have in your kitchen. So what we've done from there is that we've taken the powder and we've made one of our top selling products, which is this amazing Mopani protein bar. So this protein bar is an amazing snack. People love it. The people that look at this and get scared, they buy this. And I tell you, this is love at first bite. And we're going to show you now what it looks like inside. But this is the product that you should be having. It's a very clean product. What we did, because Mopani worms is a very healthy protein alternative. So we've decided that we're going to make very clean products. So what we've done is that we predominantly have 4 ingredients in this bar. We've taken this powder, we mixed it with dates. So our products don't have sugar. Guys, I'm gonna repeat that. Our products do not have sugar, right? So we've added dates, which is a natural sweetener, into this product. We've added oats as well as dark chocolate, and then it's just beautifully coated. So those are the 4 ingredients that you're gonna find here, all natural products, which are very healthy for you. This is how it looks like inside. And yeah, David is gonna have one to taste. David, there you go. I'm gonna taste my piece.
I like very much the product, what you did here. You guys can see, very unique. Like, when I see these things, I just want to open them. So let's give it a try, because I want you guys to see there is now no Mopani one going to fall from here. So it's actually chocolate, the protein bar.
Yes.
Very crunchy, very soft. I can't even believe it's made out of Mopani worms, you know what I mean?
And that's a normal reaction that we get from the consumers that are eating our protein bar. They say that, you know, it's like, oh, it doesn't even taste, which is amazing. So I'm also gonna have my piece now.
Very nice. Just it's addictive, kind of addictive, yeah.
What do you think of the sweetness level?
It's very balanced. I like the aftertaste also, very nice. And it's not heavy, you know, it's just something that you feel like, it feels like a nice meal, you know, it feels like nice. Very nice, I like it. Let's try that Mopani one.
Bring the whole plate to you. But I just want to say, David, like in terms of what you describe, how it tastes, the bar, that is the reaction that we get consistently. That's the reaction that we get consistently, that people are amazed, people are surprised to say, oh my word. Then they end up buying a big box like this because it's so tasty. Yes.
I like it. I really like it.
So what you get from Mopani worms is the protein. So it's an alternative source of protein. It comes with 60% protein, and it comes with iron, it comes with fiber. It got all the essential amino acids that you need, we all need, you know, for our bodies to function at an optimal level. So that is what you get from Mopani. Yeah.
It's like popcorn, really. So where can people find you? What are your social media handles? And how can people find you physically?
So physically, you're welcome to come and visit us at Riversense Incubation Hub. We are based in the Four Ways area, Unit 58. Come and visit us. We'd love to welcome you. We'd love to give you a taste of our product. In terms of our social handles, you can follow us on LinkedIn. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook. We're available also on X. So follow us on those different platforms to make sure that you don't miss out anything. We have amazing also new products that are coming up. We're gonna have new more bars that are going to be launching very soon. So follow us on those platforms. Also subscribe to our newsletter. We have a newsletter that we send out once a month. Subscribe to also keep up to date in terms of what we are doing. And in terms of where you find our products, you find our products predominantly online. The first place to start is our online store, Mopani, www.mopani.co.za. You go to our e-shop and then you shop, and then the next place you find it is Take-A-Lot. Then you also find it at Zulzi. Zulzi, if you're craving for your product right now, they deliver in 15 minutes. So Zulzi is amazing also as well. Yeah, they deliver in 15 minutes. And then you'll find it at Cape Union Mart stores, selected stores, but most of the stores you can find it. If you don't find it, call us so that we can let them know. And also you can find our products, you know, in Pretoria, Native Nosy. So when you travel to the Kruger National Park, they have our products there, as well as when you're in Rosebank, go to Soko District. It's at the Rosebank Mall. They stock our products there. So those are the different places that you can find our products. Because we are young, we are only 2 years old. We are still looking for the different spaces to be able to get our products closer to you. We are still looking for opportunities to get into retail spaces where you can get our products. However, you know, we are available in the places that I have mentioned, and we are here to serve you.
Thank you so much. Again, guys, make sure you show some love. You basically reach out to Wendy here at Mopani Foods. Let me know which business should we do next.
No, thank you so much, David, for coming through. We look forward to serving you guys. If you are serious about your health, you should be eating our products, Mopani worms, Mopani bars, you know, and those around you. So do connect with us. We'd love to connect with you. So David, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Also, again, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Share, subscribe, destroy that like button, and we will see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.